Welcome back, dear students, for our another session. Yes, in last class we learned the introduction part of integers on our 7th class mathematics, and we have the very first exercise on integer part is what exercise 1.1. Yes, all of you open your textbook, then you know the first question is yes. Following number line shows the temperature in a degree Celsius. Yes, always the temperature is will shows in a degree Celsius, and it is also in degree Fahrenheit and degree Kelvin. And but in a main possible way, we have to show in a degree Celsius at a different places on a particular day. Yes, following number line shows the temperature in a degree Celsius at a different places on a particular day. Yes, then you know the textbook, the very first question. It is in look like a number line. Yes, on the number line there are different cities. They are showing what here the temperatures. Yes, we of course the temperature we measure in a degree Celsius. Yes, here the 0, then here right side there is a positive integers. This one is already you know. Then the left side, the 0 behind, there is a negative integers, and right side is a positive integers. Yes, yes. So it's a 0 to -5, and it is a -6, -7, -8, -9, and -10. And a 0 to 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 6, 7, 8, 9, yes, 11, 12, 13, 14, correct? And then 16, 17, and goes on like this. And it is a 21, 22, 23, 24. Yes, yes. Then there are 4 sub questions are there in on first question. Yes, the question is sub question. Observe the number line. Yes, all of you observing, right? Observe the number line and write the temperatures of the places marked on it. Yes. What you do here? Just observe the number line. There are different places, names of cities. What they showing? The temperatures which have the different cities and different temperatures. Yes or no? Yes. And I'm writing here. This one is the first places is a Lahul Spiti. Yes, here the Lahul Spiti is showing the which temperature. What's the temperature Lahul Spiti is showing? Is a -8 degrees Celsius. Yes, right? -8 degrees Celsius. See, 0 is there. Then it's a -5, -6, -7, -8. In -8 exactly, the Lahul Spiti showing you the temperature. They're marked. Yes. Next one is a Srinagar. Where the Srinagar is located now? Where Srinagar is located? Yes, it is here. So Srinagar, it is, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Means it is a 2 degrees Celsius. Means 0 behind which number is there? Negative numbers. Means it is a -2 degrees Celsius. Why it is a -8? On left hand side of integers part, there will be negative numbers, negative integers, right? Then right side of this 0, after right side of this there will be positive integers. That's why 0 behind any number will be marked as what? Negative numbers, negative integers, like that. Lahul Spiti showing the Lahul Spiti city showing the temperature what here? -8 degrees Celsius, and as well as Srinagar as a not a 2, not a, it is just a 2, it is a what here? -2 degrees Celsius. And now come to next city is a Shimla. So Shimla showing exactly here 5 degrees Celsius. Then come to Ooty. It is always, it's in right side, no? Shimla, Ooty. It's after 0 here, it's right side. Ooty is showing 14 degrees Celsius temperature. Yes. Then Bengaluru. Namma Bengaluru, our Bengaluru is 22 degree Celsius. Yes, this is a first question on a sub question A. That's it. It is the answer. Wow. What is it asking here? They are just asking here what Observe the number line and write the temperatures of the places on a marked on it. Yes, I'm writing here the temperatures. Yes. Next one is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? Yes. See, in your first question and the sub question, second one, what is the difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? Again you see the number line, observe the number line, observe the number line. And what is the hottest place and the coldest place? See, in a negative integers and negative numbers, there are always shows what are the coldest regions or coldest temperature. You see the in winter season, Jammu and Kashmir, they are recorded at even that -5 degrees Celsius, -2 degrees Celsius means minus negative numbers means it is less than 0. I earlier said that in our introduction video, there will be a negative word behind what? 0. So minus is a minus numbers or less than what? 0 number. So 0 is not a less number. Behind the 0 is there what here? Negative word is there. Yes. So -8 or -7, -6, -10, they shows what? The very coldest place. So what is the coldest place on the number line? It is a -8 on Lahore Spiti. Yes or no? It's a -8 on Lahore Spiti, right? Yes. Write it as coldest. Coldest is Lahore Spiti. What's the temperature of Rahul Spiti is? -8 degrees Celsius. Then again they are, what they are asking? Coldest, then what? Hottest place. Hottest place is yes, Bengaluru. Right, in small Bengaluru is in what? 22 degrees Celsius. It is in positive. Yes. So they are asking the final question is what is the temperature difference? Difference meaning what? The difference is nothing but a minus. Difference is nothing but we have to do subtract. Huh? So how do you subtract here? Difference. Always that positive number first means 22. Difference means minus. What is the coldest now? -8. So I am putting bracket here. Why I am putting bracket here? Because same signs we have to not write side by side. That's why I am putting bracket here. Yes. Now tell me 22. What will become minus and minus? Minus and minus. In my introduction video, I told that what is the chart of addition of integers and subtraction. Plus becomes plus, yes, plus minus becomes minus, minus plus becomes minus, and minus becomes what? Plus. So means we have to add those numbers. So two negative integers, two negative signs. So it means if you have to add those things, it's minus becomes plus here, then 22 minus becomes plus, then 8. So 22 plus 8 is a 30 in what? Degree Celsius. So this is a second sub question. So next one is a third one. What is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? Yes, they're giving the name, the place's name here. What is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? So what is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? So what is the Lahore Spiti temperature, Lahore Spiti temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius, right? And what is the temperature of Srinagar? Srinagar temperature is, yes, Srinagar temperature is 2 degrees Celsius, right? No, minus 2 degrees Celsius. Minus 2 degrees Celsius. It's a minus 2 degrees Celsius. And the difference means what we have to do? Subtraction. Yes. So it is simply minus 2 or minus 2 minus of minus 8. Yes. Minus 2 minus of minus 8. Or you can do minus 8 or minus of minus 2. So it is also okay. Yes. So minus 2 as it is. So minus minus becomes what here? Plus 8. Now again we have to solve here. One sign is minus, another sign is plus. So what we'll do here? One sign is minus, another sign is plus, means we have to subtract again. So subtraction will gives us to 6. So which sign we have to put here behind the 6? Is a positive or negative? Positive means bigger number is 8 here. The bigger number behind the sign is plus, means we have to put 6 degrees Celsius. Just we can put 6 degrees Celsius or plus degrees Celsius. It's okay. Yes. In next one, can we say temperature? Sub question D. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Yes. Observe this question. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together? What is the meaning of taken together? Taken together means these two cities taken together means plus. We can say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. We can take the temperatures of Srinagar and Shimla both together. Taken together means we have to add those. Yes. Is less than the temperature at Shimla? Yes. Is less than the temperature of Shimla? Yes. Taken together means solve those things first. Taken together means what? Srinagar temperature and Shimla temperature. What is the Srinagar temperature here? The Srinagar temperature is a minus 2. Yes. Taken together means we have to put plus. Then what is the Shimla temperature? Shimla temperature is 5. Now tell me, you have to solve this one. You know already how to solve this integers addition and subtraction. Yes, it is a 3 degrees Celsius. Yes or no? Minus plus means we have to do subtraction, right? We have to subtract 3. Then bigger number sign is plus, means it's a 3 degrees Celsius. This is it. So this degree Celsius taken together, Srinagar and Shimla, it is a Srinagar plus Shimla temperature is a 3 degrees Celsius. No. So this temperature is less than the temperature at Shimla. You see the Shimla, what is the Shimla temperature? The Shimla temperature is a 5 degrees Celsius, right? Shimla temperature is a 5 degrees Celsius. They are asking here, this taken together temperature is a less than the temperature at Shimla. Yes. See, this is a 3 degrees Celsius taken together temperature, and the Shimla temperature is a 5 degrees Celsius. It is less than the temperature at Shimla. Yes. Yes, it is a less than the temperature at Shimla. Means 3 degrees Celsius is what here? Less than the 5 degrees Celsius. Means together we taking Srinagar and Shimla temperature is less than the Shimla temperature. Yes, we can write it is yes. It is a less than the temperature at Shimla. Next question is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Tell me what is the Srinagar temperature? What is the Srinagar temperature here? See, Srinagar temperature is a -2 degrees Celsius. No? Yes, -2 degrees Celsius. So this temperature taken together temperature both the Srinagar and Shimla, it is less than the temperature at Srinagar. Yes. What is the temperature taken together temperature is a 3 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature is Srinagar is a -2 degrees Celsius. Yes. No, it is a greater than the temperature. Yes. 3 degrees Celsius is a greater than the temperature of what? Srinagar temperature. It is a no. The answer is no. Yes. It is a less, but it is not a less here. It is a more than the temperature. Yes, Srinagar is -2, but taken together temperature is 3 degrees Celsius. Means it is a greater than the Srinagar temperature. Means it is a no is our answer. Right? Yes. So in next question, the question number 2 in your textbook. You observe the textbook in second question number 2 here. In a quiz, yes, there will be a quiz competition. Yeah. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers. Yes, it's always right. Positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. Of course, if a Jack's score in a 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Yes. See here, first the condition of this question is the correct answers means they are giving positive marks. In incorrect answers they are giving what here? Negative marks. Means whatever the values of a positive is there is the correct answers marks, right? It is 25, 15, 10. There are correct marks answers. And -5, -10, there are incorrect answers, right? So you can write total. So who was a participant here? Jack. At the end, total marks, you can write like this. Total marks at the end. You write as it is this marks incorrect and the correct answers. Yes, 25, -5, -10, then 15, right? So what you have to put here in between? You have to put plus. Then you put here my bracket. Then here also plus. Then you have to put bracket. Yes, then it is a plus. Then lastly it is a 10, right? Why we need to put bracket here? We can't write side by side signs. Means we have to put here bracket. Yes. So it is solve. Means add first positive numbers. It is a easier way, right? And it is a very basic way. Add first positive numbers. What are the positive numbers here? 25 means plus 25, plus 15, then plus 10, right? These are all what? Positive numbers. So it is 25 plus 15. So 25 plus 10 is 35. 35 plus 15 is a 50. Plus 50, right? Yes. Then now tell me. And these numbers. Plus into minus becomes minus again, and plus into minus becomes a minus. Means you can just write here 10 and 5. 10 and 5 means it's a 15, right? 15, then it is a minus sign. Means a plus into minus, minus, plus into minus, minus. Then both is a 5 plus 10 is 15, and it is a 15 minus 10 is what? The answer is 35. So total end of the Jack's marks is what here? 35. Yes, let us see the next question. Is a third question. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. What is the meaning of a dropped? Dropped means it's a decrease in temperature. No, means it is a minus. Yes, dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? And on Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What is the meaning of a rose? So, rose is nothing but a rise in temperature, means, or increase in temperature, means it shows, it stands positive by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Yes. So here write down. So at Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday. So write down that first. Whatever that given in the question, we have to write down that first. On Monday, the temperature of Srinagar, yes, temperature of Srinagar is minus 5 degrees Celsius, right? And it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius, means dropped by 2 degrees Celsius means it's a minus 2 degrees Celsius, right? Therefore, on Tuesday, temperature of Srinagar, they're asking what here? What is the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? Yes, on Tuesday, temperature of Srinagar. Srinagar was, yes. So the Monday, the temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius, right? And the dropped the temperature is, what is the dropping temperature on Tuesday? Is a minus 2 degrees Celsius, right? So what will the same signs, same integers means we have to add and keep as it is minus, yes, it is a minus 7 degrees Celsius. Next. On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius, right? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What is a 4 rose by 4 degrees Celsius means? It is a plus 4 degrees Celsius, right? Okay. And finally, what was the temperature on this day? This day means what? Which day? Wednesday. Yes. Therefore, on a Wednesday, the temperature of Srinagar, right, was minus 7 degrees Celsius. Was a Tuesday temperature in Srinagar. Yes. Then increasing in temperature on Wednesday is a 4 degrees Celsius, right? And there are different integers there. One is a minus and one is a plus. What we have to do here? We have to subtract those numbers. Means it is a 3. Then what is a bigger number sign? Is a minus. It is minus 3 degrees Celsius, right? Yes. Now the next question. A plane is flying on the height of the 5,000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below. Then the sea level, what is the vertical distance between them? Yes. Let us draw the figure here. Plane is flying at the height of 5,000. Yeah. Meters, and the submarine is floating below the sea level. This is a sea level below. Yes, understood? The sea level submarine is floating at the 1200 meters below 1200 meters the sea level, and we have to find the vertical distance between the plane and the submarine. So vertical distance between the plane and submarine is 5. Yes, the vertical distance between the plane and submarine is 5,000 meters plus 1200 meters, that is a 6,200. Yes, it is in what? Meters, right? Yes, we have a next question. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1642 from it. The next day, if a withdrawal of amount is represented by negative, then how will you represent the amount deposited? So withdrawal means is a negative integer, right? And deposited is represented what? Positive integer. Find the balance in a movement's account after the withdrawal. If the at all is represented by negative integer, this is given by the deposited will be represented by positive integer. Now let us see the given things. Mohan deposited for calculating. Mohan deposit rupees 2000. Yes, he withdraws. Mohan deposits rupees 2000. He withdraws. Yes, withdraws rupees 1642, right? Mean subtract. So now let us calculate. It is a 8, 5, yeah, yes, correct, 8, 5 and 3, so there are 4, so move the balance in amount account is rupees what? 358. So the balance in the Mohan account is rupees what? 358.